What is gestational surrogacy, and how do laws apply? Gestational surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement where a person, known as the gestational surrogate, carries and gives birth to a baby for another individual or couple, referred to as the intended parents. Importantly, the surrogate has no genetic relationship to the child. The embryo is created through in vitro fertilization, or IVF, using the eggs and sperm from the intended parents or donors. This method allows individuals who cannot carry a pregnancy due to medical issues, such as the absence or dysfunction of the uterus or conditions like endometriosis, to have a genetically related child carried by another person. Before becoming a surrogate, the individual must undergo thorough medical and psychological screening. This ensures that she is healthy enough to carry a pregnancy safely. Ideal surrogates are typically women aged 21 to 45 who have a history of successful pregnancies and no significant complications during those pregnancies. Both the surrogate and the intended parents enter into detailed legal agreements prior to starting the process. These contracts outline parental rights, compensation, medical responsibilities, and how to handle potential complications. Legally, gestational surrogacy can be quite complex and varies significantly depending on the jurisdiction. Most legal frameworks requiring formal contracts to establish the rights of the intended parents and to relinquish the parental rights of the surrogate. Since the surrogate has no genetic link to the child, gestational surrogacy usually involves fewer legal complications compared to traditional surrogacy, where the surrogate is also the genetic mother. However, laws can differ greatly between states or countries. Some places may ban or restrict surrogacy altogether, while others have clear legal pathways to protect everyone involved. Therefore, it is crucial to seek legal counsel experienced in reproductive law to navigate these issues and ensure that agreements are enforceable. From the perspective of fertility and endometriosis, gestational surrogacy provides an important option for individuals whose uterine environment may be compromised. Endometriosis can lead to scarring, inflammation, and abnormalities in the uterus, which can significantly reduce the chances of a successful pregnancy. By using a gestational surrogate, intended parents can bypass these barriers while still having a genetically related child through IVF. In summary, gestational surrogacy is a medically assisted reproductive method where a surrogate carries a child who is genetically unrelated to her, created via IVF using the gametes of the intended parents or donors. It is legally regulated through contracts that vary by location, necessitating careful legal planning. For those facing fertility challenges like endometriosis, gestational surrogacy can be a valuable path to parenthood when carrying a pregnancy is not possible or safe.